So in part two, I mentioned about, well, earlier in the previous one, I mentioned about the text graphics, these motion graphics that you're supposed to bring in. It says bring your movie love. Um, Put those at the end. So you can see here, I'm not going to play the audio yet, but it says bring, and then a couple clips, your movie love, right? And then it gets into the ending. So do that. You can see how I put the clips in. And then I lowered the volume so that you can hear them speak. So watch, look at this one.
And the Oscar goes to Titanic.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so grateful.
Oh, will you hush? He's a little nervous.
So you see how I mentioned do not add anybody talking? I did break my own rule. Right there, you can see her.
Oh, will you hush? He's a little nervous.
I kind of put that in there because I was looking for a clip. So when you upload your clips, the ones that you're going to use, edit them in here in this window. Okay, some of these have complete clips, like Angelina Jolie saying thank you right here. I didn't use her.
Thank you.
Shame on me for not using her. But see, I'm not. I'm only going to use if I were to use her part. I'm okay. So this is in the folder. This video clip is in the folder. If I were to use this part, I'm only going to use the part where she's done thanking.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So right about there, maybe just a little bit of the audience, and then let's see.
Thank you so much.
So right there, that's it. That's all you need. That 1 minute and 1 second, right? That 1 and 1/14 of a second. Okay, most of these are really. Look at 2 seconds. That one's 2 seconds. This one's way short, a little over a second. Keep them nice and short because it keeps the commercial moving. You're gonna have to do a lot of editing. I suggest if you have a mouse at home, actual computer mouse, not a mouse, regular mouse, but computer mouse, plug it into your Chromebook on the right side and use the mouse with some kind of flat surface as you're editing. When you're doing editing, video editing on a laptop, it's not ideal, and especially if you're using the trackpad with your thumb. Yeah, I don't. That's not very. It's not a good way to edit. I know it's all we have right now, but if you have a computer mouse, plug it in and use it instead of your thumb on or your finger on a trackpad. But if that's all you have, that's okay. Just make sure you're on a flat surface when you're editing, because look at, you have to edit down the clips to one little over 1 second. Maybe some are longer than 1 second. Like some of these are a little longer. See, 1.23. Also, let me mention this tip too. In the video clips from the movies, from the Oscars movies, notice, see how they're all smiling? I'm using parts of the movies where they're smiling or laughing. See that one too? She's smiling. Then I'm using the actual Oscar show. See right there, they're laughing and smiling. He's right, all happy. So it's a happy genre. Even this one's a little difficult to find. The Judas the Messiah it was difficult to find like a smiling part, but I did. I found him where he's waving to him, okay, in the audience, and then and I kept that going. And they're in the video clips. They're in the actual movie clips that I left for you. So see, this is the actual trailer, but look at where I edited it down. See, you can edit it from here. So I went looking for a scene where they're smiling or happy, see, or even clapping. Again, try to stay away from the ones that show them moving their lips where they're talking. See, that one was a good one right there. I could use that. I could have used that one too, where he's just smiling, right? Because it keeps consistent. See, it's getting really close, so I'm gonna have to expand it a little bit more, and then just say, for example, I was gonna use this one, and then that's where I can trim it, like right there. See, and then trim it like that. There. So see, you're perfect. It's like around that 1.16, 1.17 mark. That's good. And do not forget, please, the ones that you're not using the volume on, click here, click on the little speaker icon, and you can either do it this way or click on the speaker icon and move the volume all the way down. Okay? And then that removes the volume on the ones you're not using the volume on. So see, like these right here, these don't have the, even though the volume's up here, I have it turned down. Okay, I have it turned down in here. See that? It's all the way off. So make sure you're doing that. And these, make sure you're consistent with these. See, this one I'm not consistent on. I have them around the 22nd. See, this one, they also shouldn't fade. See, these are fading, meaning they're at an angle. They should go straight down. See, 22, 22, that's good. 26 is too much. Keep consistent, 22. And in order to get more precise with your levels, zoom in with this little, the little level right here, little meter, and where it resizes it. See, this one is fading in when it's at an angle. Make it go up and down. If it does that, it means you've gone over. So there we go, like that. All right, then here too, I'm at 22. Okay, that's good. 24, make sure that's 22, 20. Depending on the audio here. Some of these older clips, oh, another thing I forgot to mention, make sure that you use at least 4 clips of some of the classic Oscar shows, okay? I have one there, I have one there, which is the same one there, and there's some more scattered throughout this. The actual video of this is posted, so you can see how it looks like, what I'm looking for when you're done, okay? And then you can see it ends right at the 1 minute mark. See that? Right there, with a little bit of time left. And it's gonna cut straight, so don't put a transition at all. Just let it cut, right? Just a basic cut off. And then I would save your Bring Your Movie Love towards the end. Squeeze them in there somehow. Let's see what it looks like.
No matter where you're from, your dreams are valid. Thank you very much.
Okay, so just like that. You can see this one is angling way too much. Let me zoom in a little bit. So be careful when you guys edit these. Make sure your audio is matching up. See, this isn't matching up at all. I don't know how that happened. Oh, I know, when I put in a last minute clip. When you put in a last minute clip like I did, it inserted and pushed it, it kind of threw this off a little bit. So
No matter where you're from, your dreams are valid. Thank you very much.
these should have been separated here, but that's okay. I would have liked another clip here in the middle to separate them, and then like that. All right, Mustangs, let's get to work on this. Look at all the edits. Look at all the cuts I had to do. So there's a few of them here. Okay, you guys can pause the video and stop and see how many you have to insert in them. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. No, 34 because I counted the Bring Your Motion. So yeah, around 30, 34, 35 of them, including these. So about 30 plus clips depending on how you use them. Okay, that's a lot, I know, but hey, you're gonna look like a professional once it's done. If you have any questions, please just replay this tutorial video and the one before it, or you can email me as well. If you have technical issues with something showing up here or not appearing correctly, please send me a screenshot. And remember, if you're using WeVideo, I can always access your timeline to help you out. All right, thank you so much and good luck with it.